During a secret hearing, this general scientist showed his videos and documents regarding the CCP's plans to release viruses in Hong Kong or in Wuhan. Its first trial in Guangzhou failed. A later trial to release viruses aimed at the 2019 military word game. That wasn't successful either. In the end, they released the virus in the seafood market. The goal was very simple: to stop the street protest in Hong Kong and then to ruin President Trump's election campaign. It wants to destroy the world's economy, shift the global economy to communist China, and transform the global economy into a CCP-centric economy using the vaccine economy. Afterwards, their goal is to eliminate the US dollar and establish the CCP as a global power. The scientist also showed that the CCP owned over 1,000 types of ready-to-use coronavirus, as well as a microbacterium, a microorganism that is growing by grass. It has created a mutant from this microorganism, which is very dangerous. From the start, the scientist said, "I don't believe any U.S. top officials really took the vaccine shot. None of the CCP officials, above deputy provincial rank, took the vaccine." Then he told them that if anyone in Europe had received the vaccine, they were essentially duped. As it turned out, I believe half the people who attended the hearing took the vaccine, and they were terrified. And then, these videos and documents shocked the world. Ever since he testified, people like Fauci changed their narratives and no longer insisted that the virus came from nature, but from a lab. The US president started an investigation immediately. The world's media also immediately turned 180 degrees. Facebook took down the fake news rumor label. Twitter became less fanatic, and Google was no longer large-scale censoring. All scientists in France and the UK had the freedom to speak out. Main medical journals were allowed to publish related articles. The scientist became someone everyone wanted to interview. There was another important story behind it. I want to share with fellow fighters. This scientist's family members have all been rescued out of communist China and are currently in Japan. I want to bring to everyone's attention another important fact. He told everybody something beyond their imagination. India, Australia, Japan, Taiwan, and New Zealand will be their next main targets, including Brazil. And he gave a serious warning, stating that should another outbreak occur in America, the death toll will not be limited to 500,000 or 1 million. The threat could potentially endanger 1/3 of the lives of Americans. This is not a joke. This is not a joke.